Crawler OTAG 620. Experience an extraordinary adventure aboard the advanced Crawler OTAG 620. Designed for the daring traveler, this marvel of endurance and luxury is priced at $156,157. The OTAG 620's riveted aluminum body showcases the iconic Crawler line, promising a journey that is both rugged and stylish. Personalize your space to feel at home even in the wildest locations. Inside, you'll find a living area that seats 6, a kitchen equipped with a 3-burner stove and oven, and a bathroom featuring a Thetford cassette toilet system. The bedroom offers a spacious main bed perfect for stargazing, complemented by a smart TV and LED lights to ensure you're entertained and illuminated throughout the night. The OTAG 620 carries your adventurous spirit with its solar panels and external storage for all your gear, making every expedition an unparalleled experience. TaylorMade Tour Truck. A mobile fortress with a state-of-the-art workshop. This double-decker behemoth draws design inspiration from the grandeur of Formula One rigs and features a gripping station, loft machines, and shaft cutters. Here, players can have their clubs customized to feel like extensions of their bodies rather than mere accessories. The truck spans 42 feet in length, boasts 450 square feet of tinted glass, and weighs a remarkable 22 tons of pure innovation. The interior is spacious and meticulously organized, with 1,500 shafts, 1,200 TP5 and TP5X golf balls, and 1,000 grips readily available. The price tag is not just a number, it symbolizes the truck's exceptional value to the PGA Tour and its unparalleled capabilities. Getting fitted in this VIP truck at events can cost anywhere from $947 to $50, which can be applied toward club purchases, though the precise amount remains undisclosed. Ecocapsule. This innovative, egg-shaped micro-home seamlessly integrates sleek design with cutting-edge sustainability. Powered by solar and wind energy, it offers a luxurious, off-grid living experience. Priced from $99,900, the Ecocapsule is an investment in personal independence and environmental health. This cozy haven collects rainwater, filters it for use, and uses nature's energy to meet your daily needs. Every inch of the interior is thoughtfully designed for living, working, or escaping urban life. It signifies a commitment to sustainability, innovation, and design. Whether used as a countryside retreat, a research station, or a pop-up hotel, the Ecocapsule is versatile, functional, and showcases the potential of green technology. JB Home's Golden Sky invites you to discover a mobile home that seamlessly blends contemporary design, expansive living, and breathtaking vistas. Step into luxury with 57.2 square meter of living space, boasting 2 bedrooms, a generous living area, a thoughtfully designed kitchen, and a commodious bathroom. However, what truly sets this abode apart are its dual terraces, one extending from the living room and the other crowning the roof. Picture yourself unwinding on the rooftop terrace, soaking in panoramic views as the breeze caresses your skin. Or, indulge in stargazing from your cozy couch, framed by expansive windows, while relishing the warmth of underfloor heating. Crafted with premium materials including wood, aluminum, steel, and glass, the Golden Sky mobile home epitomizes sophistication. Illuminated by LED lighting and featuring HPL tabletops, a Febo wall system, and P-foam insulation, this haven can be yours for just $199,999. STX 3 Pop-Outs Motorhome offers an unparalleled level of luxury and comfort, capturing hearts with its breathtaking design. Upon first sight, you will be captivated by its sleek, modern exterior. Step inside to discover a spacious interior, thanks to its 3 pop-outs. The living area boasts a plush leather or fabric sofa, a 43-inch LG Smart TV, and a concealed wireless charger. The kitchen is equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, perfect for culinary adventures on the road. In the bedroom, you'll find a cozy double bed, complemented by a 32-inch smart TV and air conditioning for ultimate relaxation. The bathroom is a sanctuary, featuring a power towel dryer, sink, toilet, and luxurious rain shower. Outside, a generous storage area awaits, ideal for stowing away your outdoor gear. With customizable features, the price of this luxurious motorhome ranges from $1,200,000 to $1,500,000. Movable Roots presents the Jojo Bean series, a lineup of compact dwellings varying from 20 to 26 feet long and 8.5 to 10 feet wide. These ingenious homes prioritize space and storage, omitting stairs, ladders, or lofts. Inside, discover a fully equipped kitchen, a multifunctional table doubling as a desk, a washer and dryer setup, a utility closet or pantry, a bathroom, and a roomy bedroom featuring a queen-size bed. What sets the Jojo Bean series apart is its RV certification, allowing for easy towing to your chosen destination. Equipped with a 50-amp hookup for electricity, a propane tankless water heater, a mini-split AC and heat pump, and energy-efficient LED lighting, these homes are ready for any adventure. Crafted with durability and aesthetics in mind, the exterior boasts a metal roof, LP SmartSide siding, and a fiberglass door. Starting at just $79,999, the Jojo Bean series offers exceptional value for a top-tier product. Expandable Container 30 feet introduces a housing solution that merges versatility with innovation. With its expandable design, it transitions from a compact, portable size to a spacious dwelling, offering a remarkable 603 square feet of living area. Unlike conventional structures, this container undergoes 90% pre-installation in the factory, enabling swift setup by a team of 4 individuals within a single day. Crafted from lightweight steel, its walls ensure superior insulation, fire resistance, and durability against environmental elements. Priced affordably at $45,000, it delivers a balance of cost-effectiveness and quality living space. For those intrigued by this offering, purchasing options are available. Volkswagen California. Now with its revamped California 6.1 version, boasts enhanced versatility and comfort, catering to diverse camper van needs. Featuring a range of trim levels, beach, beach tour, beach camper, coast, and ocean, each offering a distinct set of amenities, it ensures an adaptable mobile living experience. The innovative pop-up top and side sliding doors further elevate its functionality, ideal for adventurers on the move. Built upon the reliable Volkswagen multivan platform, the California guarantees durability and dependability, enhancing its reputation as a steadfast travel companion. From standard features like the mini kitchen with stove and storage to premium additions such as lighting control panels and swiveling front chairs, it offers a customizable camping experience. Despite its luxury, the 2021 model's price remains accessible, with the top-tier configuration reaching up to $10,300, delivering value for money with all the bells and whistles. STX Horsebox Volvo offers top-notch features for horse transportation. This robust horse trailer, built on the Volvo FH chassis, boasts a range of conveniences. With rubber flooring, adjustable partitions, and a temperature monitoring system, it ensures the safety and comfort of up to 10 horses. The automated gearbox enhances the driver's experience, while custom-made transport options add versatility. Inside, luxurious leather seats, satellite TV, and a premium sound system create a cozy living space. Enjoy climate control with split-system heating and air conditioning, making every journey pleasant regardless of weather. The kitchenette, equipped with a microwave and ceramic stove top, brings the comforts of home on the road. Additionally, the onboard bathroom, shower, basin, and toilet provide convenience during long trips. With its sleek exterior design, the STX Horsebox Volvo FH catches the eye wherever it goes. Adria Coral XL. The Adria Coral XL stands out with its innovative approach to the traditional overcab camper. It's spacious, trendy, and perfect for large families or adventurous groups. Offering year-round comfort, it boasts a modern design and practical features. The generous dinette with 7 homologated chairs and ISOFIX possibilities is just one part of its expansive living area. Inside, you'll find chic, contemporary furnishings complemented by smart lighting and clever storage solutions. Adria's distinctive Comex construction ensures durability and moisture resistance for peace of mind. Climate control is top-notch thanks to modern insulation and a sophisticated ventilation system. Plus, it's equipped with a double floor housing, integrated utilities, and extra storage, along with impact-resistant freshwater tanks. Multimedia enthusiasts will appreciate the computerized control panel, TV point, and concealed speaker system seamlessly integrated into the multimedia wall. EF Procycling Truck. Within the EF School of Education, a competitive cycling team known as Easy Post stands out with its adventurous spirit and vibrant pink colors. Their truck, a logistical and operational marvel, serves as a mobile base of operations. Here, perfection meets the pavement with top-of-the-line bikes, gear, and a devoted crew of mechanics. Meticulously prepared, each bike is ready to tackle the challenging courses of the world's most renowned races. However, it's the people who truly shine. The mechanics are the unsung heroes, ensuring everything works seamlessly from the cobblestones of Europe to the mountains of Colorado. The team's truck symbolizes their unwavering commitment to excellence as they traverse the globe. It's a place where cyclists gather to strategize and find refuge before the competitive storm ahead. Cyberlandr Reveal. The public now sees the Cyberlandr, an innovative camper for the Tesla Cybertruck. This unique camper transforms into an office, bedroom, living room, and bathroom, all fitting perfectly in the Cybertruck's vault. With a $5,000 launch discount, the price drops from $49,999, making it a great choice for enhancing the Cybertruck experience without sacrificing form or function. The Cyberlandr connects to the Cybertruck's power source, removing the need for extra generators or propane. This reveal highlights the progress in combining sustainable living with mobility, offering modern explorers the best of both worlds. Tesla Semi-Truck Motorhome is an innovative adaptation of the first long-range, all-electric Tesla semi-truck. This groundbreaking vehicle can tow up to 82,000 pounds for over 500 kilometers thanks to its powerful 900 kilowatt-hour battery pack. Instead of a cargo trailer, this custom-built RV seats 6 and features large windows, skylights, and a panoramic windscreen, creating a modern, minimalist aesthetic with breathtaking views. When parked for extended periods, RVs equipped with deployable solar panels can generate power. The Tesla semi-truck motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle, offering unparalleled flexibility, convenience, and sustainability for global travel. Enjoy the advantages of an electric, autonomous vehicle, including reduced maintenance costs, enhanced safety, and a lower environmental impact. Expected to be available in 2025 for $250,000, the Tesla semi-truck motorhome represents the pinnacle of future travel experiences.